Chess. A journey through time. Krishna Dev Rai, the emperor of Vijayanagara, was inspecting the market in Amravati. In a corner of the market, there was a table with a chess board. Sunlight glinted off the intricately carved sandalwood pieces. When Krishna Dev Rai passed by board, he stopped to admire the board and the chess pieces. He stroked a piece of the chess coin and sat down in front of the board. Across from him, a mysterious woman leaned forward, her eyes gleaming with an otherworldly knowledge. "Your move, Maharaja," the traveler said, her voice carrying an accent Krishna Dev Rai couldn't quite place. He studied the board intently, the sounds of the market fading away as he contemplated his strategy. With a deliberate motion, he moved his knight, the piece clicking satisfyingly against the board. As soon as Krishna Dev Rai's fingers left the piece, a strange shimmer rippled through the air. The bustling market dissolved around them, replaced by the opulent interior of a British colonial mansion. The traveler's appearance shifted, her robes transforming into a crisp sari. Krishna Dev Rai found himself dressed in a formal sherwani, confusion etched on his face. "What sorcery is this?" Krishna Dev Rai demanded, his hand instinctively reaching for a sword that was no longer at his side. The traveler smiled enigmatically, gesturing to the chessboard that remained unchanged between them. "The game continues, Maharaja. Though time may shift, the eternal dance of strategy remains." She moved her bishop, capturing one of Krishna Dev Rai's pawns. As the piece left the board, another ripple of change swept through their surroundings. They now sat in a modern Hyderabad high-rise, the city's skyline stretching out beyond floor-to-ceiling windows. Krishna Dev Rai's attire had once again transformed, this time into a sleek business suit. He blinked rapidly, trying to process the dizzying shifts in reality. "Who are you?" Krishna Dev Rai asked, his voice a mix of awe and trepidation. "What is the purpose of this journey?" The traveler, now dressed in jeans and a t-shirt, leaned back in her chair. "I am but a guide, Maharaja." "The purpose?" "To show you the enduring legacy of the game you so love, and the timeless nature of human strategy and conflict." Krishna Dev Rai's eyes narrowed as he considered her words. With newfound determination, he studied the board and made his move. The air shimmered once more, transporting them to a space station orbiting Earth. Through a nearby porthole, Krishna Dev Rai could see the subcontinent of India, a patchwork of green and brown against the blue of the ocean. The future, Krishna Dev Rai breathed, his eyes wide with wonder. The traveler nodded, her spacesuit gleaming under the artificial lights. "And yet, the game remains," she said, gesturing to the chessboard floating between them in zero gravity. "Make your move, Maharaja. The fate of this match transcends time itself." Krishna Dev Rai reached out, his hand trembling slightly as he grasped a piece. As he contemplated his move, he realized that each shift in time had brought new insights and new strategies to consider. The game had become more than just a contest of skill, it was a journey through the history and future of his beloved land. The lady's eyes widened in surprise, then crinkled with amusement. "Well played, Maharaja. It seems you've learned much on our journey." As the space station faded away, Krishnadev found himself back in the Amravati market. The game reset as if nothing had happened. The traveler stood, bowing slightly. "Remember, Emperor Krishnadev," she said, her form already beginning to fade, "the lessons of chess, patience, foresight, sacrifice, are timeless. Apply them wisely, and your legacy will echo through the ages." With that, she vanished, leaving Krishnadev alone with the chessboard and a mind full of visions of his kingdom's future. He picked up a pawn, marveling at how such a small piece could carry the weight of centuries. From that day forward, every game of chess became a journey through time for Krishnadev, each move a step into the unknown future of his empire.